Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to engage the suction tips and the air water syringe tip. This is the air water syringe that will have the air water syringe tip. This over here that it has a bigger hole will go with the HVE, high volume evacuator. It's going to suction more liquids. And then we have the saliva ejector, which has a smaller hole, and it'll go into this one. So, okay, so we're gonna start first with the saliva ejector. Again, the saliva ejector has a smaller width. This is the part that will go into the patient's mouth. The smaller circumference will go inside over here. So you're just going to push down with pressure, and that is it. That is how you engage the saliva ejector. So now for the HVE. The HVE has two parts. So there is a part that you can see a little window, and the other part doesn't have that window. So this part with the window has to be up. You cannot, that does not go inside here. So this is the one that goes outside, and this part over here is the one that you insert. If you make a mistake, if you put this over here, you gotta throw it out. So you have to put it, you gotta engage it this way. Again, putting pressure down. And this always faces out. That's the part that goes into the patient's mouth. Okay. So now for the air water syringe. For the air water syringe, you're going to see that there are two rings, one on the outside and this part over here. So in order for this to go in, we have to move this outer ring in to place this in there, the air water syringe tip. The part that goes in is this small part, not this big part, but this small part. And you're going to see that a hole that's in there, it's small, that this will not fit. So this is the area that goes in. So I'm going to push the outer ring in, and I'm going to place that in, and I'm going to release the ring, and then I'm going to tug it just to make sure that it's placed correctly. And that's how you place the air water syringe tip. And that's how you do these three.